Black Friday is the most popular day for online shopping, with huge deals everywhere you look. Over 90 million people in the US alone shopped online for Black Friday last year. Today, I'm going to show you where to get the best deals on Tesla accessories this Black Friday. Depending on when you see this video, the sales could be live right now, so make sure to pay attention to the dates I give you because you don't want to miss your opportunity to get your dream Tesla accessories for up to 50% off. Before we start, I'm going to make it easy for you by leaving a link to each product or sale I mentioned in the video description. Just click on the words "more" in the video description below. You can also find everything I mentioned at accessoriesfortesla.com, which is the first sale I'm going to tell you about. Accessoriesfortesla.com is offering up to 50% off everything on their website from November 25th until December 2nd. You'll find thousands of accessories that upgrade your Tesla's looks, protection, performance, and convenience for all models, including the 2024 Model 3 Highland and the Cybertruck. You'll also find deals on Tesla apparel and even some must-have Tesla mobile apps. Make sure to mark your calendars or head over right now if you're watching this during the sale. Next up is the iconic Tesla neck pillows. Every Tesla owner's most loved accessory will be 30% off from November 25th until December 2nd. If you're a subscriber, you've seen me mention these neck pillows multiple times over the years, and for good reason. They upgrade your driving experience, providing style, comfort, and health benefits. They're made for all Tesla models and come in 3 different colors that perfectly match Tesla's interiors, like white, black, and red, which is what I have in my Tesla. These are great because they improve posture and give you support for your neck, back, and shoulders. I love them not only because they're comfortable, but they're also fully adjustable, easy to use, and easy to clean. 30% is the largest discount I've ever seen for these, so I recommend getting a pair before it's too late. They also offer gift cards, which would make a great gift this holiday season. From November the 25th to the 30th, you can get 25% off MagBak's wireless chargers and their RimCase. MagBak's wireless chargers are designed specifically for Teslas, offering fast and reliable charging for your devices without the clutter of cables. The slim, magnetic design keeps your phone secure and easily accessible while driving. Meanwhile, the RimCase provides sleek, durable protection for your wheels, keeping them safe from curb rash and damage. Both products are designed to blend perfectly with your Tesla and make everyday driving more convenient and worry-free. Don't miss out on these Black Friday savings. Use the link in the description to grab 25% off. While we're on the topic of comfort, if you've ever wanted to try camping in your Tesla using Tesla's camp mode, TESBEAUTY is offering 20% off all their products from right now until December 8th, which include their popular memory foam mattresses designed to be used in Tesla Models 3, Y, and X, as well as other gear like window and sunroof shades. Their full-size mattresses let you comfortably sleep in your Tesla due to them using high-density memory foam and other premium materials. I like that they also come with a carrying bag that doubles as an insulated cooler. Check out this sale using the link in the description. Next up is another one of my favorite Tesla accessories, Oedro floor mats. Oedro is offering 30% off all their best-selling Tesla floor mats right now until December 4th. These mats perfectly contour your Tesla interior for a secure fit. They feature a 3-layer structure combining a non-deformable TPR surface, noise-reducing XPE foam, and anti-skid backing. They're weatherproof, have raised edges, and thoughtfully placed channels that trap spills and dirt, making these mats the ultimate protection for all seasons. Installation is easy with its lightweight design. Plus, they're easy to clean. Just hose them down, vacuum, or use soap and water. Each set includes a driver's side mat, passenger side mat, rear mat, front trunk cargo liner, rear trunk cargo liner, and rear trunk well storage liner. Whether you have a new Tesla or not, these are a must-have, and for 30% off, it's a no-brainer. If you charge your Tesla in your garage, you might want to check out this awesome upgrade from EV Hover. It's a premium cable management system that keeps your garage neat and safe. Featuring an extendable swivel arm, the EV Hover lifts your charging cable off the floor, eliminating trip hazards, preventing dirt buildup, and protecting your cables from damage. It works with any EV charger and easily folds away when not in use. Made from durable, powder-coated steel, the EV Hover is simple to install and offers over 9 feet of extension, making charging convenient and hassle-free. Say goodbye to tangled cables and messy garage floors. Get $50 off with code SEUSSBF at evhover.com and enjoy free shipping and a limited lifetime warranty. What do you guys think of these deals so far? Will you be picking up some of these Tesla accessories this Black Friday for yourself or as a gift? Let me know what and if in the comments below. Okay, let's continue on to more deals. While we're speaking of charging, Lectron is offering 10% off their high-performance chargers and accessories from right now until December 1st. Lectron chargers are designed for convenience and reliability. They offer fast charging speeds and are compatible with most EVs, including Tesla models. They have adjustable amperage settings, built-in safety protections, and weather-resistant construction, making home charging efficient and worry-free. Their sleek, user-friendly design includes a clear display for tracking your charging status and energy usage. Whether you're upgrading from a mobile connector or want a reliable charging solution for your garage, consider one from Lectron this Black Friday. If you want to make your Tesla Model 3 or Y more convenient and safer, check out the Ctrl-Bar by Greenmission. From now until December 1st, get $20 off with code MikeCtrl. Ctrl-Bar adds physical controls to your Tesla's minimalist interior, featuring 2 scroll wheels for temperature and 4 customizable buttons for shortcuts. It seamlessly attaches to your screen and includes powerful, customizable LED lighting for your console and footwells. Plus, recent updates mean faster, more reliable Bluetooth connectivity with no delays. For more info, check out my video on the Ctrl-Bar here. Don't miss this upgrade. Use code MikeCtrl for $20 off. Hansshow, one of the biggest Tesla accessories vendors, is offering 25% off all their Tesla accessories using my code MikeSeuss from November the 13th to December 1st. Hansshow has a ton of incredible products, from power frunks and ambient lighting kits to sleek spoiler upgrades and custom steering wheels. These accessories are designed to take your Tesla experience to the next level, adding both style and functionality to your ride. Whether you're looking to improve your interior or add some eye-catching exterior mods, Hansshow has you covered. Now is a great time to check out their unique accessories. Moving on to something that can help with Tesla security is a dash cam. From right now until December 2nd, VIOFO is offering 30% off their signature dash cams. Even though Teslas come with built-in cameras and Sentry mode, adding a dash cam like the VIOFO A229 Pro offers crucial advantages. With Sony Starvis 2 image sensors, the A229 Pro records in 4K with HDR for clearer details, day or night, even in low light situations where Tesla's cameras struggle. The interior camera uses infrared LEDs for night vision, catching intruders in the dark, and the system records audio, adding context to incidents. Its 24/7 parking monitoring ensures superior low-light footage. Ultra-fast 5G Wi-Fi lets you quickly transfer and share videos, and loop recording with a G-sensor locks footage during collisions. If you're interested, now's the time to pick one up. CarCovers.com is having a sale on their top-rated car covers, and you can get 25% off from November the 29th to December 6th. Their Gold Shield 5L car cover is a must-have for anyone looking to keep their Tesla in pristine condition. This 5-layer cover is designed to handle anything nature throws at it, from scorching heat to harsh snowstorms. It's made from 100% breathable, water-resistant material that protects your vehicle while allowing just the right amount of airflow. Plus, the soft cotton fleece inner layer keeps your paint and finish looking flawless. Each cover comes with free shipping, a lifetime warranty, a storage bag, and security accessories like a cable and lock. If you need a cover, now's the time to pick one up. For those looking to transform your Tesla's performance and appearance, MaxPeedingRods is offering 12% off their 24-way adjustable damper coilovers from now until December 8th. Designed for Tesla Model 3 and Y, these coilovers allow precise tuning with 24 levels of rebound damping, delivering ultimate control. Adjust your ride height from 0 to 60 mm to achieve a lower center of gravity and a bold, aggressive stance. With a twin-tube shock structure, CNC-machined aluminum components, and durable steel mounts, these coilovers balance strength and lightweight construction. The upgraded springs are rigorously tested to ensure high tensile strength and longevity. They also feature adjustable preload spring tension and camber plates to fine-tune handling. It's not the biggest discount on this list, but it's a perfect opportunity to make your Tesla ready for daily drives or track days. Use code MikeSS to get the deal. And that wraps up my list for the best deals on Tesla accessories this Black Friday. Remember, you can get everything in the video description below and at accessoriesfortesla.com. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to the channel for more Tesla content like these two videos. Until next time, peace.